Hey everyone, it's Josh here with another informative video for advanced investors using Questrade. Today, we're diving into the topic of options trading levels, specifically focusing on levels 1 and 2. These levels are crucial for adjusting your trading strategy based on your risk tolerance, available equity, and trading expertise. Let's explore what each level entails and how they can benefit your investment approach. Options trading at Questrade is categorized into 4 levels, each with increasing risk and equity requirements, as mandated by regulatory guidelines. Today, we'll focus on levels 1 and 2, providing a concise overview tailored for those looking to deepen their understanding. Level 1 allows for trading in long calls and puts. No minimum signed options agreement required. Strategies include long call, long put, long straddle, long strangle, short covered call, and protected short married put. Level 2 includes covered calls and puts. No minimum signed options agreement required. Strategies expand to covered call, covered put, long collar, and short collar. Understanding these levels is essential as they segment trading strategies based on risk tolerance and financial knowledge. This segmentation helps tailor your approach to align with your investment goals and comfort level in the market. When deciding between level 1 and level 2, consider these primary factors. Risk tolerance. Assess how much risk you're willing to undertake with your investments. Investment strategy. Determine how you intend to utilize options trading and where you want to focus your investments. By comprehensively understanding these levels, you can confidently choose the appropriate level that suits your risk appetite and investment objectives. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. This is Josh signing off. See you in the next one.